Hi, Eugenio, welcome. Eugenio, how did it end? December. If you didn't let us know anymore?
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
So wait, let me also put one moment.
Show yourself.
So I'm in the Canary Islands. Is that enough of an answer for you?
So it went well. December.
I just arrived. I landed today. That's why I'm late. December went well. It went $500 per dollar, more or less. I spent in quite a bit on ads. And how much did you spend on ads in January?
I say
A little over 2,000. No, it's fine. At first, I was spending a lot on ads. I was spending more, but I fixed it and cut down quite a bit. So 3,035. Now the numbers, I don't exactly remember. The incredible thing, as far as I'm concerned, is January. Scary. I'm speechless.
positive or negative.
In a positive way, but it's right after Christmas.
And say something new, Casper. Come on.
It's January 8th. I'm at $3,500.
We have the first interview at the end of the month, guys.
I declared that I reached peaks of approximately 650 per day, and the ad costs have dropped significantly. Now, I don't go over 20%.
We officially, let's touch all the wood possible, have the first interview at the end of January. Finally.
I'm busy at the moment because I've been moved here. This is a nice success story because
You were one of those who could read the first book, 2 books. But I won't give up, I won't give up, I won't give up. Bam. Damn, what a beautiful story.
I'm finally happy, actually, because of that. I was also in a hurry to connect, but I repeat, I just landed a little while ago.
I'm connect. Everyone, then you see.